Unlocking the fun. Let's hit the bars. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unlock the secrets behind everyday phrases. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's all about socializing and having a good time. Let's hit the bars. Stay tuned as we break down what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. When someone says, "Let's hit the bars," they're essentially suggesting going out to visit one or more bars or pubs with the intention of enjoying drinks and socializing. This phrase is casual and implies a sense of spontaneity or the desire to unwind and have fun. It's commonly used among friends or colleagues who want to relax after a day's work or celebrate a special occasion. The verb, hit, in "let's hit the bars," doesn't have its literal meaning of physically striking something. Instead, it's slang for going to or visiting a place. This usage of hit is very common in informal English, especially in American English. You might also hear phrases like, hit the gym, hit the road, or hit the beach, all of which similarly suggest going to these places. Using this phrase is best in casual and informal settings. Here are a few examples of how it can be integrated into conversations. After a long week of work, we've been working so hard all week. Let's hit the bars tonight and relax. Celebrating a friend's achievement. Congratulations on your new job. Let's hit the bars to celebrate. Reuniting with old friends. It's been ages since we all hung out together. Let's hit the bars like old times. Remember, the phrase suggests a friendly outing focused on socializing and enjoyment. It's important to note that the idea of hitting the bars is culturally specific and may not be universally understood or appreciated. In some cultures, drinking alcohol is not a common social activity, and in others, there might be specific places other than bars where people go to socialize. Always be mindful of the cultural context and the preferences of your company when suggesting plans. We hope this video has shed some light on the fun and casual phrase, "Let's hit the bars," and how it's used to suggest going out for a good time. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about the context and culture that give life to phrases like this. Whether you're learning English or teaching it, embracing these expressions can add color and realism to your conversations. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video.